Yo, got a pair of the Bose QUIETComfort 35 Mark IIs absolutely free when I bought the Pixel 5. How cool is that? I'm a big fan of giving away devices for free when you buy Pixels. I think last year they gave away some Chromebooks for free when you bought the Pixel 4s. And this year with the Pixel 5s, you get a pair of Bose Mark II QUIETComfort 35s. Absolutely awesome. Obviously, these aren't the brand new Mark IIIs, but you can't really complain. Still offer some brilliant sound quality with active noise cancellation. I've got the Sony Mark IIIs, XM3s and XM4s, so this will be fun to test out how these compare. Got silica gel and some instructions and stuff in there. Won't be reading those. It's pretty straightforward. And ooh, the case is more leather-esque than the Sony XM3s and 4s. I do like this a lot. Got this microfiber material along this outside pouch. This seems to be a bit more harder than the Sony's. So let's have a look. Ooh, some microfiber material along the inside here, again to keep your cables and stuff like that in. 3.5mm audio jack we have here. Leave that to one side. I use mine wirelessly, so get rid of the phone. We've got USB Type A to micro USB cable here. So you know what's going on. Pixel or Google here has teamed up with Bose to get rid of the old stock of Mark II QUIETComfort 35s as they have the newer models out. I do like the fact that we've got massive symbols for which ear cup you need to wear these on. I didn't get a choice of what color headphones I would be sent once I purchased the Google Pixel 5. As I say, Bose seem to be getting rid of old stock. So these are the Mark IIs. Mark IIIs are already out, so obviously these are going to be less desirable, so they're getting rid of old stock here, which is understandable. And I'm not going to look a gift horse in the mouth here, but something for nothing here when I was going to buy the Pixel 5 anyway. My first impressions of these compared to the Sonys, these look good, don't get me wrong, they feel good, but they're not as premium as the XM3s or the XM4s. Obviously they labeled the sides here inside. I prefer the color variation that Sony put on theirs to differentiate the sides. So nice branding across both. You got the Bluetooth on and off button there. Very tactile buttons along each ear cup. Micro USB, as I say, these are the Mark IIs. So obviously you may not be a fan of micro USB when everything else is going to Type C. And you've got, as I say, tactile buttons on either cup with a 3.5mm audio jack plugging in to the left-hand side ear cup. So you got leather-esque material, microfiber along the inside for the headband, and yeah, very twisty, flexible indeed. They seem like smaller cups compared to the Sonys just by looking at them, but you can't complain when you get something for nothing when I bought the Pixel 5.